5:35 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles north of Stoneburg, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Green Gold around 5:05 p.m., Macona around 5:25 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.